In this tutorial video, we are going to show you how you can calculate range in Microsoft Excel. For calculating range, we need to calculate max and min in Microsoft Excel. First time we are going to calculate maximum value. Here you can see a maximum cell. We are going to calculate there. Enter equal, write max. You can see there. Tab. Here is the number. Which number you want to calculate max. This is our number, and close the bracket. Look, this is our maximum value from them, and calculate at the same way minimum. Write min, then tab, then select the range, then close the bracket, enter, and this is our minimum value. Now what is the range? Range is the difference between maximum and minimum. Here we can calculate range entering equal, then maximum value minus minimum value, then enter equal, and this is our range. If we want to calculate range, this is the way we can calculate range in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching the video.